grade 5th Hazel. Now I am going to say speech on Engineer. Engineers Day is celebrated in India on 15 September every year. In the memory of Sir Mokshaguna Vishweswaraya, he was the most prominent civil engineer in India in the 20th century. He was born in Andhra Telugu Brahmin family. He built Asia's best dam on Kaveri River. He was a statesman and a scholar. Thank you.
My name is Shrita of grade 5 Hazel. Today I am going to say a story about Honest. Once upon a time there lived two best friends, Ram and Banu. They used to go to forest every day. One day, Ram only went single to cut the trees in the forest. When he was cutting the trees, his axe fell into the river. And Ram was crying. After that, the river angel came out of the river and asked, "Why are you crying?" Ram told, "My axe fell into the river." Then the river angel went inside the river and brought gold axe. Ram told, "It's not mine." Afterwards, again, the angel went inside the river and brought silver axe. Ram told, "It's not mine." After that, again, angel went inside and brought Ram's own axe. Ram told, "It's mine." And angel thought he is truth and honest and gave 3 of the axes. And Ram went happily to his home. After that, Ram's wife asked, "How did you get gold and silver axes?" And Ram told, "When I was cutting the trees, axe fell into the river. That time, the river angel came out of the river and gave me gold and silver axe." After that, Banu listened that and went to forest and wandered in 3 with axe into the river. Then again, river angel came out of the river and asked, "Why are you crying?" After that, Banu told, "My axe fell into the river." Then angel went inside the river and brought gold axe. Banu told, "It's mine." After that, again angel went inside and brought silver axe. Again, Banu told, "It's mine." After that, again, the angel went inside the river and brought Banu's own axe. Banu told, "It's not mine." After that, the angel thought, "It's not true and honest." The moral of the story is, be honest, and honest is best policy. Thank you.
Today I am going to say speech on my parents. My parents are still so supporting me at every stage of my life. I cannot imagine my life without them. They are grateful to me and my parents. They are loving and creating my parents. Thank you. Today I am saying speech about teacher. Teacher is a light shine light even on the darkest road, so that the little ones do not lose of their destination. You are everything a teacher should be to the world. You may be just another teacher, but for us you are a hero and heroine. Thank you. Comes from grade 5 Hazel. I am going to tell about doctor. A doctor is very important person in our society. He treats sick people and saves lives. A doctor is highly respected in the society. Doctors make country healthy and also give proper advice related to health. A doctor's passion is Hazel. He is a very respected person in the society. We should be grateful to the doctors. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Vedagayatri from grade 5 Hazel. Today I am going to give a speech on science. Science is a systematic discipline which builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable hypotheses. Science can help us to understand about our health. It can help us to treat ourselves when we are ill. It can help us to understand about our universe. It can help us to save ourselves or other species of organisms in case of any natural disaster. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Virendra Kumar from grade 5 Hazel. Today I am here to give a short speech on moral values. Moral values are very much important in our life because they shape our life. Moral values convert a living being into a true human being. We start learning moral values since our childhood, firstly through our elders and then we start going to school. From there we learn moral values, our teachers and friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Sri Gautam Chandra from grade 5 Hazel. Today I am going to give a speech on planets. First, I want to start my speech with some questions. Question for grade 1. How many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is right. Let us subtract it. Question for grade 2. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Jupiter. Let us subtract them. Question for grade 3. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Uranus. Let us subtract them. Question for grade 4. Which is the biggest star in our solar system? Sun. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Sun. Let us subtract them. Question for grade 5. How many rings does Saturn has? 2. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is 4. And in our solar system, there are 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. And Mercury has 0 moons. And second is the hottest planet. It is Venus. Venus has 1 moon and it is the second nearest planet to the Sun. And third nearest planet to the Sun is Earth. Earth has 1 moon that is also known as natural satellite of Earth. And Earth has oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. And Earth has trees, water, and these are not present in any planets. And in Mars, there is oxygen, but oxygen is 0.04% of oxygen. And fifth nearest planet to the Sun is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And Jupiter has 64 moons. And Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the coldest planets in our solar system. And Pluto was also a part of our solar system, but it was separated in 2014. And Earth has 24 hours for a day, and Mars also has 24 hours 32 minutes. And Mars time a system of a sun and the object that rotates around it. Thank you.
Pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, myself Sashrita of Grade 9 Jasper brought you news. Hundreds of people joined the 47-kilometer long against the Rajikar case against Afghanistan and South Africa. Afghanistan has won over South Africa. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself, Yashwant of grade 9 Jasper. I am here to deliver a short speech on Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie was born on 19 July 1965. At the age of 11 years, she lost her hearing power and very interested in music. One day, one girl playing a xylophone in front of her. Evelyn also wanted to play the xylophone, but most of her teachers disencouraged her. But a percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential energy and he began to beat the drums. He will say that don't listen through ears, try to sense it by other way. Suddenly, Evelyn realizes that she could feel the higher drum, the waist above, and the lower drum, waist below. And she discovered that she could feel the sound by her skin.
Jasper. Today I am going to give a small speech on hope. Hope is a very important thing in our life. Once you lose your hope, you will never get it back. I am going to still tell a story on it. Once upon a time, there was a boy. He was a shepherd, and he shouted that tiger, tiger, and his father and in the people in the village came by running and asked, "Where is tiger?" He said, "I called you simply, whether you are reacting or not." And second time he did the same, but that time tiger really came. They did not respond, and tiger killed the boy and sheep. And now we can understand that hope. Don't lose your hope. Hope is very important thing. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Jeevina of Grade 9 Jasper. Now I'm going to give speech on Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was a great scientist and he is disabled person. Only his two little fingers was working. Even though he became a great scientist in world. One day, Firdaus Kanga met Stephen Hawking. Asked, Stephen, sir, how you are feeling about your success? Stephen Hawking said, I'm disabled, but I can succeed in my life because a disabled person can easily success in life because the disabled person in which he is good, in that only he will concentrate and he will dedicate and he will get success. That's why only concentrate on one thing. Don't disturb your mind. Thanks.
Happy morning everyone. I am Nikhila from grade 9 Jasper, here to give a short speech on Lord Krishna. Do you know who is Lord Krishna? Lord Krishna is 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Krishna is the god of love, compassion and protection. Lord Krishna is a great inspiration for all of us. He is a great dancer, singer, musician and fighter and philosopher. He also controlled the great Sudarshana Chakra. There are some good qualities that you can learn from Lord Krishna. First one, true, genuine, and real friendship. Sudama and Lord Krishna are real and true friends. They both are evergreen friends forever. Second one, humility. Humility comes from recognizing one dependency on the universe. Humility is the first item of knowledge. Third one, forgiveness. In this world, there is no one without making mistakes. We have to make mistakes and learn from the mistakes, but never repeat them again. Fourth one, setting a goal. Krishna always says about making goals but never focus on their outputs. Krishna said that give your efforts and forget about results. It means if you give your 100% efforts, results will always come by itself. And there is one famous quotation of Lord Krishna is, everything happens for your goodness. It means there is in this earth every moment is meant for a reason. So don't think about anything. If you get any problem, you think that everything is happening for ourselves. Thank you.